Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this is your aviation news. Your top story, Vitaly Saveliev is re-elected CEO of Aeroflot. Then, Boeing receives an $805 million contract from the U.S. Navy. And Air China releases its 2018 interim results. We'll have all your aviation news right after this. The board of directors of PJSC Aeroflot re-elected Vitaly Saveliev as CEO for a term of 5 years. He has led Aeroflot since his appointment on April 10, 2009. At that time, Aeroflot says the company was considered a regional carrier by global standards, with passenger traffic at 11 million. As of 2017, Aeroflot has served almost 33 million. Combine this with the passenger traffic of its subsidiary airlines, and you get over 50 million passengers. The airline has grown significantly since Saveliev has taken over, becoming one of the world's top 20 carriers and top 5 in Europe. In 2010, Russian President Vladimir Putin tasked Saveliev with creating Russia's first full-fledged airline group. The state transferred a number of regional carriers to Aeroflot's management, and from these assets, the construction of Aeroflot Group began. This included Russia's second biggest airline, Rossiya Airlines, and Far Eastern airline, Aurora. Aeroflot operates 50 of the latest Sukhoi Superjet 100s. In the coming years, the company expects to take delivery of 50 MC-21s. Boeing will build the U.S. Navy's first operational carrier-based unmanned aircraft, the MQ-25 Stingray aerial refueler, through a $1.1 billion contract. The aircraft manufacturer was awarded the engineering and manufacturing development contract to provide 4 aircraft. It plans to perform the MQ-25 work in St. Louis. Boeing says the MQ-25 is designed for better refueling capability and to extend the flying range of combat strike fighters. According to a report by the U.S. Naval Institute's online portal, usni.org, the Navy expects the first airframes to begin flying by 2021 and the first 4 Stingrays to reach operational capability on carrier decks in 2024. After this contract is complete, usni.org reports the Navy plans to buy 72 more vehicles with a total program cost of about $17 billion. Air China released results for the first 6 months of 2018 at the end of August. This included a revenue increase of approximately 12% to 12.4 billion Canadian when compared to the corresponding period in 2017. Operating expenses for Air China increased by 12.5% year over year to 11.5 billion Canadian. As of the end of June this year, passenger routes have expanded to 434 across 6 continents of the world, with 308 domestic, 109 international, and 17 regional routes. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. And make sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, September 21st for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. See you next time.